Revamping business models. The future of the web in the AI age. Imagine a world where the internet, once hailed as the great democratizer of knowledge, is now teetering on the edge of collapse, all because of the very technology meant to revolutionize it, artificial intelligence. This isn't a dystopian fantasy. It's a reality we're already grappling with. The web's traditional business model, built on free access to information and ad-driven revenue, is crumbling under the weight of AI's rapid evolution. But here's where it gets controversial. The same tools that promise to make knowledge universally accessible might actually be dismantling the internet's foundation. And this is the part most people miss. The real crisis isn't just about algorithms or chatbots. It's about the survival of the digital ecosystem itself. Let's rewind. In late 2022, OpenAI's ChatGPT burst onto the scene, upending how humans interact with information. Instead of sifting through search results, people now ask AI chatbots to do the work. Google, once the gatekeeper of online knowledge, now touts features like AI-generated summaries, claiming to let users let Google do the Googling for you. On the surface, this sounds convenient. But beneath the surface lies a deeper problem. If AI can generate answers instantly, what happens to the websites, journalists, and creators who built the web's vast repository of knowledge? Their content, once the lifeblood of search engines, is now being repurposed by AI systems without compensation or credit. This isn't just a technical shift, it's an existential threat to the web's original social contract. The tragedy of the digital commons, as The Economist aptly puts it, is unfolding in real time. The internet thrived because users could access information freely, while content creators were supported by ad revenue. Now, AI models trained on this content are creating a paradox. They rely on the work of others to function, yet offer no return to those who made their training possible. And here's the rub. Most AI companies don't operate under a model that fairly compensates the original creators. Instead, they monetize the data they've scraped, leaving the very people who built the web's infrastructure in the lurch. Is this sustainable? Probably not. But what's the alternative? This is where the debate gets heated. Some argue for a subscription-based model, where users pay directly for access to high-quality content. Others propose licensing fees for AI companies that use web data, ensuring creators get a cut of the profits. But here's the catch. Neither solution is perfect. A paywall could exclude those who rely on free information, while licensing deals might stifle innovation by making data access too costly. What's more, how do we even define fair compensation in an era where data is both a commodity and a public good? These are the questions that keep industry leaders and ethicists awake at night. Consider this. Hollywood recently released a film about Sam Altman and the rise of OpenAI, framing the story as a high-stakes drama. But the real drama isn't just about personalities or corporate rivalries. It's about the future of the web. If we don't rethink how value is distributed in the AI age, we risk creating a digital landscape dominated by a few AI giants, while smaller creators and independent voices fade into obscurity. Is that the world we want? Or should we strive for a model that balances innovation with fairness? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe AI's benefits outweigh its costs to the web, or is it time for a radical overhaul? Share your perspective in the comments below.